Going to change the format of the YouTube channel a little bit and do a little more blogging instead of trying to show the complete projects all the time, because in reality my life is a series of random projects. We worked on the hayride wagon a couple days ago with tires. We have more work to do there. We have the iris garden going here with irises I collect from all over the place. And today we're working on a mum garden here, so as you come up this driveway you can see some of the fall color as you enter into the yard right here with mums, and would like to line the driveway with them at some point. This tree, someone topped it in the past. They die a lot from these vines, which are poison ivy. They kind of go in and sucker the tree, and then the insects take over. And this hairy type of vine is a poison ivy, and you can see down here that termites, carpenter ants, or whatever it is that is eating this tree is just turned it to piles of dust and all the holes of the tree. So we are going to have to go ahead and take it down. I don't let it is better to take them down on my terms than to come home and find them down on top of the car, or a plant or something that you want, or like we've had several times, blocking the road so we can't get in or out of the house or the driveway. Well, snap. Here, Vader. It seems to be somewhat of an oxymoron to plant anything that requires well-drained soil here in Indiana, because almost all the soil is heavy, has a high clay content, blue clay, red clay, you name it. And when the rain comes, it really comes. Needed some ground cover to help these retain moisture. I'm hunting and looking for fall color mums. If you know, there's some dark brown ones, some pumpkin orange, darker yellow, maybe gold. I want to collect fall color mums to add to what we got going. Time to see what this tree is made of, I guess. goodbye to ants and termites. Whatever else is feeding on that. I don't need them crawling in the house. Of the beginning of the mum garden. It'll be fun when there's more and some rocks or something offset it.